Yeah, so I was quickly making an all tones video using this safe watch. If some of you were wondering how I was making the all tones videos for the sirens, I currently have my 747 hooked up. It's on steady right now, which I haven't demonstrated this on steady in a long time. I think that was security system test 4, actually. Yeah, I think it was 4. So when I had the crappy camera, but I have I have a better camera now. So I got the same keypad still. I may change it in the next test. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in tonight.
Night, stay.
And yes, this is taped up again. I'm not bothering with that right now. And we're gonna blow into the but blow into the glass rig, because blowing into it actually activates this.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
Yep. Even putting it into a way will activate it.
Armed, away, exit, now. Disarmed, ready to arm.
Quick fire. Actually, I'll just activate this one.
Fire zone. Fire.
And there you go.